Okay, it's like 2 in the morning, and I just heard a really weird noise outside. It was really loud. I think it's the same thing they've been hearing in Staten Island. I'm gonna go outside and see if I could hear it again. I think I just heard it again. Yeah, go outside now. Hopefully I can hear it again. Just gonna hang around for a bit. Maybe I'll hear it again. I think I heard it when I was coming down the stairs again. Wasn't as loud as it was the first time though. Saw some video that they keep in Staten Island. They kept hearing the noise in Staten Island. I don't know if it's the same thing they were talking about. I'm just gonna hang out for a few minutes. Maybe I'll. What the hell is that? Holy shit. Wow. That was so creepy.